desk. And this, which is like really cool. This is like the kitchen area. It's not bad, not bad. And we got a little dining area. A bit of a kitchen, sink, washer, dishwasher. Fair enough, people's fridge. It's just like an Airbnb in a way. Cool. We got the terrace, which is out that way, but you know, too fucking cold to go out there. So this is the dining. And then we got head into the rooms. So I have been already in my capsule because the first video I recorded was shit. So I already did that. So we got capsules all on there. Lockers have to be quiet because people are asleep. These are the single capsules. Pretty sick. So the gliders to go up, but like I said, the ones are pretty cool. Into there. Outside. It's pretty nice, pretty bad, pretty good view. Yeah. Might go to the pub tomorrow. Why not? Yeah, but something alright. Let's go check out the actual pod. Capsule. This is the back one. ID. Card. Doors are locked. So it's not an opening door. I thought it'd be pretty cool. This is it. This is the pod. As you can tell, I've got some things set up in here already because, like I said, I was already in here. I did this video once before and then it turned out really shit, which is actually what I was trying to edit, which is why I'm redoing it. But let's get these on. There we go. Air comes on. Ready? You guys ready for this? Boom. This is the pod, the capsule, basically. There, and that is our TV. Basically, you turn this one on over here, and that one's up, which is pretty sick. I like it. Not bad. What else can I really say? At the moment, for some reason, the TV's down. Their internet's kind of like weird at the moment. Not sure what's going on, so I'm using mine. Yes, I've had sushi. Leave it alone. I was hungry. Yeah. So basically, that's the pod. I found that there's actually a what is it called? 1 second. It is called Legends Computer Cafe. Sounds pretty cool. Might go check that out sometime tomorrow or Sunday. Not sure. Let you know. But so basically these here. So you got these switches up here, which don't seem to be doing anything for some reason. I press them and nothing happens. Not sure. TV does come on. You can watch YouTube, which is what I was doing, but then I got bored. So at the moment I'm watching Netflix and editing videos. So other than that, you can lock that. Yes, no, okay, now it's locked. You can dim the lights so they're just like not as bright. That's bright, that's off. I don't really want that one on. And then like this here, we can like dim it as well. But I was keeping on about that while I was watching TV and stuff like that. So pretty much that's the pod. The capsule. That's a surprise. there will be a link down in the description for the actual Capsule hotel in Sydney. I recommend it. It's a pretty decent price, and the bed, it's like super comfy, like super comfy. It's legitimately like the size, let me turn the lights on. It's like the size of the whole room. That's the bed, all the way around. Bed, that's just bed. It's actually super comfy. Like, it's not bad actually, and it's I'm quite warm in here, so like you can like, might turn the fan up a bit. There we go. And the fan comes out of these, which is pretty cool. It circulates air pretty well. I like the idea of it. My plugs in everything's pretty good actually. I'm quite surprised. The picture doesn't show the bed. It doesn't look this big, but 100% seriously comfy. Kind of feels like a memory foam mattress. Kind of feels like a memory foam because it springs back. So yeah, 100% recommend them. So I'll leave the link, like I said, down in the description. If you're ever in Sydney, trust me, check it out. Even for a night, it's actually really freaking good. Like, it's actually quite comfy. I think this may be my new hotel I stay at, unless there's other places in the city that are kind of like unique as well. Because I'm just over normal hotel rooms, because some of them are really good, but then not exactly really in them, you know. So yeah, why not? Fuck it. So yeah, it's not bad. Gives me a bed, place to sleep, place to watch Netflix or anything. So yeah, so basically that's it for today. Or you're really going to see me travelling here. There's a lot of parts of the video that I had to stop because I did go through so many train stations, because it took me an hour to get to Sydney. So I couldn't film most of the train stations because there was people on the platforms and I can't film people. So I cut out as much as I could. There was some pretty decent music on it, so chill out with the music. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, tomorrow we'll start the massive Supanova adventure. So I'm glad to take you guys with me, and I hope you enjoyed the first part of it. And trust me, if you ever stay at this place in Sydney, or even if you're just visiting and you want to check it out, there's many of them around, many of them, in all different countries. But if you ever stay at one, you know, let me know if you guys ever stay at one. It'd be great to see you guys do it, like experiencing what I'm experiencing right now. So thank you so much for tuning in, and till next time guys, Reminets, I'm out. Cheers guys, see ya.